Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this super cute book called Road Builders. It's a really cute book. It's all about these road builders. They go into a town and they have a job to do, and it's all about the different vehicles they need and what they do. So it's been a really nice book to read with my son. He's been learning about all the different vehicles that are in it, all the different trucks and what they do. And then at the end, you can see the completed road here, and you can help teach kind of the process of building a road and how good hard work pays off. So I definitely recommend this book. I think it's a great one to have in your library at home, especially if you have a little one who loves trucks. And that is my point of view.